If you're searching for a way to get CapCut Pro for free, you've probably come across dozens of websites offering cracked versions. The problem is that most of these downloads are either fake, filled with security risks, or simply don't work properly on Windows. Many users end up wasting time downloading large files only to discover that the software is broken, infected, or stops working after an update. Instead of using unofficial cracked versions, I found an alternative method that allows you to use an older version of CapCut that still includes many features without requiring a pro subscription. Features such as templates, auto captions, effects, music, transitions, and several editing tools can be accessed without the restrictions found in newer versions. First, use the official download link provided in the description to download the older version of CapCut. Once the download is complete, install the software normally on your computer. However, there's an important step you need to follow before launching the application. If you simply install the program and start using it immediately, CapCut may automatically update itself. The next time you open the application, you could end up running the latest version instead of the older version you originally installed. To avoid this, follow the next steps carefully. After installation, open the folder where CapCut was installed. Navigate to the old version's installation directory and search for the main CapCut executable file. Once you find it, create a desktop shortcut for that specific executable. After creating the shortcut, rename it to something easy to recognize. For example, you can rename it to CapCut Old so you can easily tell it apart from any newer version installed on your system. This makes it much easier to know which shortcut to use whenever you want to launch the older version. Now, launch CapCut using the shortcut you just created. Once the program opens, create a new project and start testing the available features. As you can see, many tools that normally display a Pro icon in newer versions are available here without those restrictions. You can experiment with templates, effects, transitions, music, and other editing tools while working on your projects. When you're finished editing, you can export your videos normally without any issues. This provides a practical alternative for users who want access to more editing features without relying on risky downloads from unofficial sources. That's all for this guide. If this method helped you, check the description for the download link and any additional resources mentioned in the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you